always talking technicals. Catch Rajat Bose and CK Narayan every weekday between 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. only on ET Now. Always thinking markets.
CK, let's start off with you on your earlier strategies.
We have a pending long covered right in United Spirits. It's doing reasonably well. Our long future is nicely up in profits, and our sold call is holding. It's about 9 rupees in the money as well. So we are making money in both the legs. I would continue to hold on to this. We have a pending long in Dabur around the same rate as we paid for it, but I would continue to hold. We created two fresh longs, which was in Z and Sun Pharma yesterday. They are both in and around the same prices that we paid. Sun is a little lower. I would suggest exiting maybe both of them, since the market is not faring too well right now. So let's exit them, not wait for the stop or the target. So get out of Z, get out of Sun Pharma. So that'll leave us only with the covered right of McDowell. Well, I have a long which I'm suggesting in Tech Mahindra. Price is about 805, 806. I would go long with a 10 rupee stop at the current level. I think the worst of the fall, which was related to that deal which got done yesterday, I think that effect is over. Maybe a day or two around these levels before it picks up again. So go along with this with an expectation of about 825 to 830 as the target. I would want to suggest a short in ITC. This is a little bit aggressive because the stock is trading at all-time high. But the kind of projection work that I do with price and time suggests that we may have reached some sort of high levels in this particular stock. So at the current level of about 269 with a very tight stop loss of about 4 points, I want to suggest a short and looking for a target around 250 in the immediate future.